Alright YouTubers, here's the new chicken coop I've been working on. It's 12 foot by 6 foot, and there's a pallet chair that was on the last video, and as you see, you can open up the door. These are all smoothed down so they don't have the square edges. It's solar power. That's for the door. The nesting boxes, 5 of those. The door here is just so you can clean out the coop itself. To get into the run, just come in this way. There's the programmable door. And the coop is also built on skids. So when I go to move it, I've got a lanyard up here. You just take it down. Let's see, it's kind of hard with one hand. And you hook the top here, hook the bottom to the ramp. And now it's off the ground. So I'm able to move the chicken coop. To get the eggs out the box without disturbing the chickens, just lift up here, attach up there, and there's the nesting boxes. And then the for the solar, that's to charge the battery. And like I said, that operates the door there. Like I said, right now it's getting ready to move. Once I get it moved and in position, get the birds in, I'll update you. Alright.